What's going on, family? Today we are working on a new car. So I got something new for you guys today. We got to fix this. This guy got completely broken off. Now, I'm just gonna show you real quick how to get this guy replaced. This is the mother-in-law's car, and she needs a little help, man. So this is a 2022 Toyota Corolla LE. Follow these steps, man, and I can show you how to get this swapped out for something like this. Stick with me. Let's open up this door and bring you guys inside. So now that we got you in the car, let's go ahead and pop this little panel off right here. And all I'm using is a little plastic trim tool. Let's see what else we got. I think there's a little plastic panel here. Let's see if we can't get this popped off. All right. I didn't feel any screws around the bottom of the door or on the side, so it looks like we got a couple of Phillips heads. We got 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and pop these controls off, see if we can get those up and out of here. Those are real simple. Push down and pull out. You guys know how those work if you watch my videos. All right, let's get our Phillips heads out. I'm just going through with these, and there's little areas to pop everything off with. You don't need this. You can simply do it with this or just pulling on the door. Once you got all that stuff off, your door should be loose. Should just pop off like that. Now, let's get you behind the panel and show you what I need to do. Now, when you're back here, you have this guy. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can take them off here. You just lift on that, pull this guy out. Then there's two tabs at the top and bottom. You just got to get in behind it and pry on it just a little bit. And that whole latch will come out like that. Panel's completely detached. And this assembly stays together. Now, another way you can do it is these pull out like this, and then you can take the wires out. Either way, you can get the job done. Now, let's turn you back around, look at this door panel, and see what we got to do. So we need to get in behind here. Here's our power connector here. So we need to take that off. This is a 10 mil. Get that up and out of the way. All we need to do is get that guy off. You can use a 10 mil or a Phillips head. Either one works. Here's one of those plastic clips right here. Pop that guy out. As you can see, there's little tabs all the way around this that hold this little plate in here. No need to take this off. This can stay. Now, let's zoom you into the door and see what we're working with. So we have one here, we have one here, and then also one there. Once we get those off, this mirror will come out. Be careful not to drop these behind the door. If you do, you can take your speaker out, it's 10 mil, and then you can grab the screws from the bottom. Now that we have all 3 screws out, check this out. That whole assembly comes out like that. Okay, so now that you have these housings here, what we need to do is get this blue housing and put it on here. So we're gonna use our same little pry tool. We're gonna go in where we can, and we're slowly gonna go around the mirror and pry these pieces out. Got this guy all put together. We're gonna fish the wire through. The same 10 mils that we took off on those bolts, we're gonna throw those guys back on. Problem already. I put this wire on the wrong side. This wire needs to go on this side, because if you don't, the window will hit that. So that's a detail to pay attention to, is that the wire needs to be on the other side of that window rail. All right, let's test it. Now I moved the wire on the other side. Let's test it. That looks good. Let's put you right there. Let's see. Okay, window motor works. So now, let's just put everything back together. All right, family. So this right here is the final product. That's what we got. We went from this to this. So, hey man, leave a like, comment, subscribe so I can keep bringing you more content. Peace.